Oh yeah, that was really funny.
And indeed, it was not very fun. Let me explain how I got myself into this situation. So initially I was just going to visit the usual quarry I go to do some off-roading, but they kind of sealed it off from the public.
Look at what they did to it. I'll show you up there. Give me a sec. Look at what they did to my favorite place. Let me park the bike. Oh, if I can find neutral. Look at this. Look. Literally 2 massive lines of fucking sand and gravel and dirt and shit. They only had a single line before. Yeah, now they added another line so people can't have fun. And let me show you the absolute worst possible thing they could have done. This was my way of getting into the quarry. Supposedly, it's not exactly a public place, you know. Supposedly. So, you're gonna fall, are you, bike? No, okay. Can you see this? I don't know if you can understand the magnitude of this drop. Like, this is a big, steep drop. Look at that. They just literally like blocked it all off, mined it out, made it steep, impossible to get down. Like, that's it. They literally ruined my favorite spot for the second time.
So then I decided to find another place to do some off-roading at, and I came across this place.
Oh, okay. That was a bit sketch. Here, I've never actually been here, so. Wow, this is an actual. Wow. Oh my god, that's all sand. My nemesis. Okay, like, see. Holy shit, the grip is non-existent, actually. But see, this is like a place I would stay away from. All these machines, I would never ever get close to them. And like, this is where I don't belong. Like, they are literally actively mining. Not today, I guess, but you know what I mean? So, holy shit. I think my shoelace is actually untied. Holy shit, this is like deep, deep sand. Yeah. Yeah, this is a place I do not want to get involved with. I do not belong here. And man, this sand, I don't know what kind of tires you need for sand. Like, some people are just giving it and they are still sliding all over the place. Maybe it's just confidence. But yeah, I'm gonna dip from here, check out the rest of this place, but not where all these machines are. Okay, this is gonna be a bit tricky. Have my tires deflated to about 15 psi. Sand always defeats me. Always. Maybe traction control off will help. Fucking hell. I always get into these fucking situations, man. People say this is a light bike. Fuck. Yeah, alright. Traction control off. Let's see. Holy shit. I literally have no grip. This is so much fun. Go ride in the sand, they said it will be fun. Oh my god. Man, I do not know how people ride in sand. What kind of tires do I need, man? Like, I know my front tire is not the best. The PKC 80. But fuck, my rear tire, man, is 80% off-road, 20% on. So like, it should be fucking nice. Do I even want to go down here? Oh shit. Man, sometimes I make some stupid decisions. Today might be the day. Oh, I don't know if I should go down there. Man, it might be too late. Oh my god, I'm so fucking stupid. What am I fucking doing, man? I have to go out. Maybe going out will be fun. Hope so. Oh yeah, that was really funny. Yeah. I'm actually fucking ill. Oh, I'm really ill in the head. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Yeah, that's funny. That's really funny. Let me see. What can I do? Bit steep. Okay. Like, I just knew this would be a bad idea. Why am I doing this? Just sliding down that hill. I'm actually fucking mentally ill. Holy fuck. That's steep, man. I just gave it a bit more gas, but this looks like it's as steep as those fucking competition, man. You know, when people just go up on these things on dirt bike, like trying to get up on top of the hill. I'm actually fucking mentally ill. My poor bike. Well, that's why I have all the protection on it. This sucks so much. Oh, hey man.
Hey!
It's okay, man. I think I can just slide down. It's okay, man.
Oh, we'll give you a hand.
Oh, hey man. Oh, shit, okay. I'm gonna put it in neutral, man, okay?
Yep.
It's been in first gear. I think I did a bit too much today.
Go up or you want to back it down?
I can do it by myself going down.
Oh, we'll give you a hand getting her down.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, it should be a neutral then, so
Okay.
I think so at least, yeah. Yeah, as soon as I came down, I was like, fuck, I don't know if I can get out. Shit. You guys don't mind being in the video?
I don't care. I don't mind at all.
Okay. At least make some content out of this. Oh, I think I'm okay like this.
Very good.
Shit, thank you so much, man.
Okay.
Thank you,
No
sir.
problem. You have a good one.
Safe.
Oh, I'll try and get back up somehow. Oh,
You can get back onto this hill over here. You can get back onto the gravel road fairly easy.
yeah?
Yeah.
Seems a bit sandy.
You should be able to get. You came from down here?
Yeah,
If you can get back up there, I don't know what it's like up there.
not good.
Okay.
Yeah, no, I don't want to keep you guys any longer. I'll figure it out.
We're not doing anything super important.
I like the bike.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
That's a nice ride.
Ah, yeah, I dropped it at the top. I was like, no. I almost made it. Just didn't want to give gas in case it flips. Yeah, I'll try maybe one of these ways.
Yeah. If you need a hand getting up, we're here.
Yeah, okay.
Yep, we'll stick around.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Oh. Okay, shit, let's see. I don't know if I should attempt this. Or maybe that one.
This one here all stand?
Yeah, it's a bit like this, but it's... Yeah, I got down on it, so maybe I can get back up. So...
Yeah, we'll tag along.
Let's try.
If we have to push it up, it'll probably be easier to push it up here than this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll give it a go.
Yeah.
If I don't come back, then I'm okay. I hope. Thank you guys.
No problem.
Holy shit. Guys, what the fuck did I just do? Why am I so stupid, man? It's like I can already see, like it's too steep. I'm just gonna be sliding down, like the wheels just lock up when I'm braking, man. Like the bike handled it like a champ, you know what I mean? It's got all this protection. Oh, I'm sorry, bike. The mirror kind of bent inwards, so even that doesn't really get damaged. It's a bit loose, I'll have to tighten it. Fuck, man. I should have asked the guys what do I owe them for the help. Fuck's sake, I'm a fucking dickhead, man. Just wasn't really thinking about that. Fuck. That annoyed me. Should have offered them like 20 bucks or something. Fuck. See, like it's just the protection that got a bit scratched up. Even the indicator is 100%. Like, this should be an advertisement for a fucking axle slider and the cage. Man, I am just so disappointed in myself. I was gonna record some cool fucking clips, man, and I got some clickbait title. I almost died. You know what I mean? Fuck's sake. Yeah, bike 100%. It's just the ego that's suffering, you know. Man, that's so disappointing. Because, man, that thing was so steep, I was like, holy shit. Like what am I doing, man? I could have had any bike, and I probably would have ended up the same way. It's a skill issue. Like, I was just shit. I know it's dangerous, man, but what is it that's making me be like, okay, I have to go down there, you know what I mean? A sense of adventure, like what is it? Why am I like this? But yeah, going back to the sand situation, see, like my tires are pretty knobby, pretty good looking, and I still have zero grip in sand. See, like TKC80, I mean, it's pretty good, man, like it's not bad, right? Compared to the OEM tire that came with the bike, the Pirelli Scorpion Rally SRT, I think. Like, it's pretty good compared to that, but what kind of tire do I need for sand? Fuck. Maybe I just need the skill. See, maybe that's what it is. I can't believe they actually stopped. That actually makes me so happy. Anytime I was in trouble, well, most times people have helped out. So big up to the human race. I don't know, it's just the disappointment speaking out of me. Like, why did I feel the need to do that? I knew it's gonna be sketch, because I've already probably uploaded a video where I went to another quarry that I went to a long time ago, and I literally was going down on a super steep hill, long steep hill. It was fucking scary, man. Like, I was literally fucking scared, because again, I was trying to brake, but because if I didn't brake, the bike would just go so fast, because the engine braking wouldn't be enough to stop it. So I had to brake, and as I'm braking, like, all the fucking wheels are locking up. It's just, you know what I mean? Like, there are some routes that you just don't travel on. I mean, maybe you could if you had the skill, but I don't, and I'm doing stupid shit like this. Anyway, I'm just talking for like 15 minutes now. Fucking probably gonna cut all this out, or maybe keep it in, maybe it's relatable content, you know? Man, moral of the story, if you're fucking scared, don't do it. That's it. It's not that difficult, man. Have a bit of self-control. Come back to it when you feel like you can conquer it. Cause I knew it would end bad. Like, what am I thinking, man? Stupid fucking guy. I swear I'm like some kind of fucking... I don't even know what animal would be stupider than me. I can't even say I have the IQ of a fucking farm animal. Because that would be rude to say. And it's probably not even true. Maybe like room temperature IQ. Oh, I think that's more suitable. Single digits. I've been wanting to get a few upgrades to the bike. Like an exhaust, a different routing for the exhaust, cat delete, and a tune. But because of me being stupid today, I'm like, you know what, the bike deserves it. Yeah, I'm gonna do all of that actually.
Okay, boys and girls, this is the end of the video. If you stuck around and enjoyed it, please give it a like rating, comment down below how stupid I am, and subscribe for potentially more stupidity. More videos to come. Let's try and work on this consistency, which is non-existent. It's been a while since I uploaded. Not good. Let's fix that. Peace.